by me, Mila. Today we're gonna do a scavenger hunt. So my mom wrote clues, and she hid them everywhere in the house. So I'm excited to do it. And my mom and my dad hid an awesome surprise somewhere in the house. So let's go and explore the house to see what we can find. Come on. My mom just handed me the first clue. The first clue is you can see me in the sky after it rains. I think I know what it is. Come on, follow me. It's a rainbow. What rainbows do I have in my house? I know. I have this rainbow right here. But maybe isn't that? Oh, I have a rainbow light. I forgot. I think I see a paper. Let's see. Oh, my next clue is we use this to count down the days until to Christmas. I know. Come and follow me. Hi, Dad. Daddy. Whoa. Okay, guys, what's my next clue? You take this to school every day. I think my backpack. Let's go check, guys. Come on. Hey. No, look here. What's my favorite? No. See it. I found it! It says you need a code to get into this. I know! Maybe it's right here. Is that alright? Just unlock this. I found it! Wait, what are these? I found another clue, but I found these. What are these? Okay. Decode it. I found one. Where your next clue
I found
is.
necklace. Found my necklace.
Good job.
I found necklace.
O's.
Hose. Reread some words until it makes sense.
O. So. No. So. S. No. Wait. Ash. Osh. I know. Maybe it could be S-H-O-E. Show. Shoe. Shoe has to be the next clue. Maybe it's in my winter boots. Oh. It's me mirror.
It's a me, Mario.
Oh, it's a Mia Mario. We have a Nintendo Magic. Help me, I'm sick. It has to be in my doctor kit. This thing is hard to open.
Cruz, can you help her look for the clue in there?
Where could it be? Wait, is it in Blippi's hat? No. I found it! Let's read together. I saw some books out there, Nancy Drew chapter books, so maybe it's under those. Maybe it's in my Nancy Drew books. Maybe it's inside one of them. Oh, I found it. It's right here. I thought I saw something blue, but whatever. Beep, beep, beep. Food is done. It must be a microwave because I have a play microwaver. Come on, let's go. I see it. Oh, I think I see it. You scratch. You scratch me to reveal lots of colors. Guys, I think I know what it is. I have a scratch book. Come on. This is a scratch book. Maybe it's in here. Wait. Make a basket 3 times to reveal your prize. Make a basket? Oh, make a basket like shoot hoops. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed that time. No, wait. Oh, I made it in here. That doesn't count. Look. Yay, I made 1 hoop.
Daddy, look it.
I made my second hoop. And now, let's see if I make my 3rd hoop. I made it.
All right. Did you make your basket 3 times?
Yes.
Did you find all your clues?
Yes.
What do you think your surprise is?
An LOL doll.
Cool. It's a
poopsie. I love poopsies. I got a poopsie. Come on, and I'll unbox it to show you. Come on. Hey, Corinne, do you want to help me?
Yay!
Okay, I'll pull the tab and you unwrap it. Oh! So, is this... Okay, now you pull this part. Oh, pull this part. There's 10 magic surprises inside. Wow! That's lots of surprises. Okay, pull that part. Ah, yeah. I wonder what I got. Okay, now let's open this part up here. I think it says
Get that one. I got that one.
whoa!
Get down.
I got so many. Whoa! This one's hard to open. Whoa! It fell in the sink. Okay.
Open.
I think I got a rare because I've seen on YouTube that if you get this packet, you get a rare. Let's see what I got in here. It's ooh. Sometimes you have to build some
The mommy.
Oopsies!
Yep, looks like you got this one right here. The Turds of Paradise.
Turns of Paradise.
Got feathers.
That gun.
And it is an ultra rare.
Whoa! I got
See?
an ultra
Look.
rare.
Ultra rare.
Ultra rare! Guys, I got an ultra rare. I'm so excited. This is lucky.
That's all. That's this. Oh.
Okay, now that we pour the water in, what else do we do, Mom?
Tear open the unicorn food packet. So Cruz, we need that packet now. Okay? Nope, we need that one right there.
Here.
Right here. Right here.
Right here.
Okay.
Here.
Do we need all of it?
Where is this?
I got pink water.
Pink water.
My favorite color.
Color.
That's what it is.
Shake it.
Yep. Yep.
Shake it, maraca.
Cruz, patience. Okay, Cruz, now you get to shake it.
Okay. Swag's pie toy.
Nope, 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 nope.
Mine.
All right, it's ready. Okay. Guys, it's so pretty. Look at it. Look. Okay, now we're gonna add the unicorn magic in. Okay. Now let's fold it in. Whoa, it's making my hands all glittery. Whoa. It's so glittery, guys. And we have one more bag because remember, it's ultra rare. It's time to add the unicorn sparkle. Guys, look, it's pretty hard. It's really pretty hard. Okay, let's fold it in. Whoa, this slime is awesome. We haven't even made it so bright yet. This is for sure a mess, but so fun. It has a pink and yellow. That's cool. It's tropical and my favorite color. Wow. They know me. They know me really well that I love glitter and sparkle and pink and everything. This is how you can store it. Sometimes it makes some fart sounds and it's funny, so. Okay, this is how you can store it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on the bell so you can have an alert whenever new videos come out. And thank you for watching, and thank you for all that you do and this mess that I have to clean up. So, bye guys. Peace out.